Yera Eric Opoku. Me penasempa, honestly. Papa Bakwa, me susu said that obetimi aye president eno because on my enyoma very clear. Me nina di nkomo hadada. Madam fono no. Muntie, Madam fono no. Me penasempa. And this few people mukasa mitimitina city esua de pano. Era yera Eric Opoku. Madam fono no. But ye de mebe ne nano pay. A Greek minister, my friend. I'm disappointed in you. My ferry, my check here. Na me pese me dia to mu se una yes ha. Many wupa na. Asem na o kan ye no be kan foforo. You are my friend. I like you, and you know I like you. Unim se me pe asem. But on this note, I am disappointed in you. My ferry pass somebody I really respect. I would research ne jitum. Na EPA for akoye sade we ya. Na be kasa wunyintum. Na waba to agu simple. Wabra nhwehwemu enye EPA nko na ayo. Enye EPA nko anu ayo. Hwe mamema quick enyoma mo say self research we EPA na wo ye no. Ye wonkofo maye bebre je fatoto so mankofo ehu. Enye mimi mfiri so fatoto bebe ade Eric Opoku ato no. Asem na amfa ye. You are my friend, but I'm disappointed in you, Honorable Eric Opoku. One kasa ye. Asem na wo kan ye no. It is an insult on our intelligence. It's not right. If at the end of the day, heavy metals, and it's not only that. Jeff Fatu Sumami quickly now for any Urajon board to entry come. Various researchers confirm say heavy metals. Ewo sa cadmium, lead, woodrow no, ewo ye ni animu aye die. Na wo ye sector minister. Na krachefo akoye sa research bebrebe ya. O ka che se onyintum. Wabra wo nya research bia o. Anka issue ewu kra Greek minister na wo so ma yam chichew. Eno amemi ne na na manso a yakwa kofa cyanide. Ye de research aba. Ese Burkina fo no e de yes anwuma no. And you are talking about this. A Greek minister, Honorable Eric Opoku. Now research about Yewua. Just a uba to I'm highly disappointed, honestly. I at least expected that one from you. And a Greek minister, now research about Yewu. So dear no in woodrow womb. Na be boya no aboa to agu. When so they anya to say be a MPP research view. EPA wawa by and do obi aba besi ho and only enkrofo ISR research no. And let me do a quick research on that. I mean can you see here over Facebook e bebre ato 7 heavy metals in water samples ya ye bebre therefore the photo to so research distribution and risk assessment of heavy metals in surface water from pristine environment and major mining areas. Enkrofo bebre aye research bebre ni nyina. What are we talking about? Omiya research no Ashanti western north eastern central savannah. Or say contaminated soil, water, air, crops, fish. Ni nyina are polluted. Mamene former general secretary MPP Yera John Buadu and Chiche and Komo Oye